Hello everyone. I'm going to talk about OSGI services, like how can we make configurable properties in OSGI service. We used to do it using ACR annotations. Now we have new OSGI annotations. We will look at these annotations like attribute definition, object class definition. We call it as OCD, designate annotation. Let me just show you the code. So this is my one service implementation class. I'm just implementing one sample service and I'm just overriding the method. The main point here is to like the annotation. Now we are using the new annotation at the rate component. I'm just telling which service it's implementing. Okay, and this is a new annotation, designate. So what I'm telling is designate the configuration to this, as in this file will be used as the configuration file. Okay, if I'll just go to this sample configuration file, what I'm doing here, I'm using one annotation called OCD, object class definition, and another one is attribute definition. So we can map it with the previous annotation that was at the rate property. Okay, and then within attribute definition I'm giving these values, like what will be the name of the property, as in this is the name which we will see in the Felix console, the description, and what is the type of the property. Okay, and the next line is what is the property name and what is the default value. Let me just go back to the service implementation class again, and what I'm doing, I'm just initializing, I'm just creating a private object of that configuration file, and within my activate method I'm just initializing it. Okay, and then I have a public method which is nothing but the property getter, in which I'm just returning the property from configuration file. That's it. Okay, while we want to create the run mode for this configuration file, what we have to do, similar way we used to create XML file, here as well we will create XML file in the required desired run mode, and then the property name and then the value. That's it. Like we have created separate configuration file and service implementation class, we can combine as well, because Java allows us to do that, as in within class file you can create interface as well. So this is another way. What we have to do is we have to declare a interface inside the class. Okay, and then I'm telling using the same annotation designate, I'm telling my OCD is this configuration class only, which is nothing but what I have just created inside the class. Okay, and within my activate method again I'm doing the same thing. In the private my property, I'm just assigning the value from the configuration file, nothing extra. And if I'll just deploy it, as in after deployment, if I'll see how it will look. Yeah, so this is my property name, and then the values are being populated because I have given the default value in the run mode. Yeah, so that's it, and thank you so much.